Hello friends, my name is Lalit Singh Mehta and today we are going to discuss about the difference between maximum torque and average or mean torque. So these two talks are a major concern among students and there is a lot of confusion created with respect to maximum torque and average or mean torque in the module torsion. So let us see what is the difference between maximum torque and average torque. So first of all, we will see there are two sets of formulas for calculating torque. As we all know, first is torsion equation, correct? So torsion equation states that T by J is equal to G theta by L is equal to tau by R, where T is the torque or the twisting moment, J is the polar moment of inertia, G is modulus of rigidity, theta is angle of twist, L is length of the shaft, tau is shear stress of the shaft material, R is the radius of the shaft. So for a solid shaft, T is equal to pi by 16 d cube into tau. So this is for a solid shaft. And for a hollow shaft, T is equal to pi by 16 external diameter raised to 4 minus internal diameter raised to 4 whole divided by external diameter into tau. So this is all about hollow shaft. So the derivation for this two, solid shaft and hollow shaft, I have already described in my previous video. You can check that. So we have two sets of formulas. So by using this term and this term, we are getting for solid shaft torque transmitted by a solid shaft, and we are also getting torque transmitted by a hollow shaft. So this T is from the torsion equation, but we have another set of formula for calculating torque, which is in terms of power. Power is equal to 2 pi n T by 60. So guys, the T which we use from the torsion equation, this T which is here, is the maximum torque, and the T which we use in case of power transmission is the mean or average torque. T mean or T average. Now we take the maximum torque in case of this case because it is the direct design of the shaft, correct? We are directly dealing with the design of the shafts. So when anything is designed in machine design or in strength of materials, which is a part of machine design only, or structural engineering, so this D, calculation of D, plays a very important role. So to be on the safer side, always this T is taken as the maximum T. So maximum torque always comes from the torsion equation, whereas this T mean is in the case of power transmission. So as we all know that in power transmission we always take the average value. For example, you might be having fan at your home, so the rated capacity or the rated RPM for that fan will be 1500 RPM, but that fan will not rotate at 1500 RPM exact, means because of various factors like fluctuation of electricity, friction, etc., etc., it will rotate at 1499, 1498, 1499.99. So means, I mean to say that due to power the torque will be fluctuating. So that's why we take here in this case the torque as the T mean or T average. So these are the two cases which we have to understand: maximum torque in case of torsion equation, whereas average or mean torque in terms of when power transmission formula is used. So hope your concept about maximum torque and average torque is clear now. And one more important thing, that maximum torque is always greater than the mean torque. So hope your concept about maximum torque and average torque is clear now. Thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe and share my video if you like it. Thank you.